Hello everyone, welcome to our next Decor Lab video. In this video, we will be showing you how to create this framed balloon hoop. This display is perfect for different types of showers, baby shower, bridal shower, gender reveal. It is perfect for drive-by events, as if you could use it as a sitting station, you can use it as a welcoming sign, dessert station, anything you want. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Let's start off with the base. For this setup, we're using our hoop base from Amazon. You can find the link to it in our description section. So the next step is to do our balloons. Here we're going to use our 6 balloon clusters, but for this one we're going to use the variety of different sizes. So we're going to use 2 different colors, the cameo and the blue slate. We will use them in 17-inch, in 11-inch, and in a 5-inch. These colors do not come in a 9-inch, so we will be playing with inflation when we create 2 different clusters. So the bigger cluster will contain 4 11-inch balloons and 2 17-inch balloons. We will mix the colors. So this is our big cluster. This big cluster has 4 11-inch balloons and 2 17-inch balloons. But 2 11-inch balloons will be a little bit underinflated, so it's slightly smaller than our 11-inch balloons. So this is our big cluster. So here we have 4 11-inch balloons, 2 of them inflated to its full capacity, somewhat full capacity, and 2 of them are inflated to a little smaller than 11-inch. We also have 2 5-inch balloons over here, so this is our smaller cluster. Let's compare them next to each other. So we have a big cluster and we have a smaller cluster. When we will be putting them on a hoop, we will be alternating it, and that will create a beautiful dimension and texture to our balloon ring. So now let's create more clusters and then apply it on the hoop. We're simply spreading 2 balloons and setting it on a hoop base. If you are installing outdoors on a windy day, you can secure them with extra 260s. But if not, you can simply just twist 2 balloons around the hoop and you're good to go. When we get all the way to the bottom of the hoop, we are going to use 260s to secure our clusters. And the last step is to finish up our display with our 5-inch dumbbells. We're going to do that to hide imperfections. And here you have it, framed balloon hoop. Here we used 8 by 8 foot balloon ring, balloons in colors, blue slate and cameo by Tuftex in sizes 17-inch, 11-inch, and 5-inch. We used 300 balloons. It took us about 30 minutes to put this display together. But remember, some of the balloons were pre-inflated, so keep that in mind when planning your time. This setup can be modified in several different ways, like change the different colors for your balloons. You can also add the jumbo balloons. You can add any signage over here, like neon sign or the wooden sign to state bright to be, oh baby, anything that your client wants. I cannot wait to see your creations. Make sure you tag us when you're posting your work so we can be proud teachers. Make sure you join us for our weekly webinars where we share so many different tips and tricks on decor and business topics. And I will see you in the next video.